In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your email with Asana in just 5 minutes. Switching out your email on a platform like Asana can seem like a daunting task, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, you need to open up your web browser and navigate over to Asana's login page. If you have a bookmark saved, now's the time to use it. Once you're at the login page, you'll want to enter your current email address associated with your Asana account in the designated field. This step is crucial as it identifies your account and brings you further along the login process. Next, you'll click on Continue. You might be familiar with this phase if you've logged in before. Clicking Continue will prompt Asana to ask for your password, so ensure you have your password handy and enter it carefully to avoid any login errors. After entering your password, you'll click on the Login button. Upon logging in, you will land on your Asana homepage. This is where you can see all your current tasks and projects, but right now we're focusing on updating your email. Now find your profile, which is usually located at the top right corner of Asana's interface. Clicking on your profile icon or name will open up a drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This option will direct you to your account settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your account, including your login information. In your settings, you'll find an option labeled Email Forwarding. Clicking on this will take you to the section of the settings page dedicated to managing your email addresses. Once you're in the email settings, go ahead and click on Account and then look for the Add New Email option. This is where you'll be able to input the new email address you wish to associate with your Asana account. Enter your new email address in the provided field. After adding your new email, Asana will most likely send a verification email to this new address. It's important to head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Asana. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your new email address. Once you've confirmed the new email, it will be set as your primary login email in Asana. Finally, if you wish to remove your old email from the account to tidy things up a bit, you can do so. Now, your Asana account is updated with your new email. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your email with Asana without any hitches. With these steps, managing your communication and settings on Asana just became that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.